Hey guys, let me show you one of the stylish way you can downsize an oversized shirt or blouse. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to measure from the top of the shoulder to underneath my bust, which will be around 16 or 14 inch, and then I'm just going to measure the other side too, and then I'm going to measure 5 inch from that 13 inch down. So this is where I'm going to take in the darting. I'm just going to rule it box shape like this for the back and the front. So the way you know the number of darting you're going to make is dependent on the size of the shirt you're working with. So I'll just measure the size of the shirt I'm working with, and then I'll minus the inches that I want out. So those inches will represent each dart. So that is 1 inch on every darting. So if I decide to remove 12 inch from the actual measurement, I'll create 12 darting lines, because each darting line will represent 1 inch. So that's the trick to doing this. So I'm just going to create these lines now. I'm creating 12 darting lines here because I want to remove 12 inch. So these are the lines. I'm just going to remove half an inch from both of the lines. So this is where I'm going to fold and get 1 inch on the darting lines. So after creating the lines, I'm just going to fold like this and sew round even to the back, so the whole 12 inch extend to the back. So this is it after taking in all the darting. So it's so simple. This is ready to wear. The reason why this is my favorite way of downsizing is because it actually accentuates your waist and gives you a good curve. I'm a huge fan of this silhouette, so I always use this for any kind of downsizing, for any other thing. So please like, share, subscribe before you leave. Here's the final results. See you on my next video. Bye.